y'all, I just got my September IPSY Glam Bag and Boxycharm. I'm not even gonna delay, we're gonna get right into it. Let's go. The first product I'm excited to talk about is actually a full-size item that I got, and it's the Pixie Beauty Eye Define Waterline in Tight Line Black. The reason I'm excited for this product, eye doctors love this product. And the reason being, it has chamomile in it, you guys. This is gonna be a real winner for you, I promise. Another full-size item that I received in my IPSY Glam Bag is actually the Pink Lips Mauve Me Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I'm really excited for this. These are mauve tones, which, as you might be able to tell, I like mauve tones. Mauve? Who, me? Yes, me. This is going to be really buttery smooth, I can just tell. One of the products that I received that I'm really curious about is the Byro New York Tea Time Chamomile Tea Face Cleanser. And the reason I'm excited about it is chamomile seems to be a real winner for my skin type. It actually reduces redness, which I experience, and can reduce inflammation, which I also experience. So for me, a hydrating and refreshing cleanser like this chamomile tea face cleanser from Byro is gonna be the way to go to get rid of my makeup at the end of the day. Ugh, chamomile, yes. The next product I got, it's the Innisfree Cherry Blossom Glow Jelly Cream. It's going to be exceptional for putting on after I just washed my face, and it's going to hydrate and be super bouncy. I just know it. Plus it has cherry flavonoids to soothe your skin, and it's gonna be great for dullness. That niacinamide is going to brighten your skin as well as leaving you refreshed and hydrated all day. My last product in the IPSY Glam Bag for the month of September is a perfume, and I'm really hyped about it because it's from Juliet Has Aun, one of my favorite perfume brands. I've never tried this scent before though. It's Ode to Dullness. They say it's warm and spicy and has a sheer capacity to it. I'm really curious. Let's smell it together, shall we? Oh, she's a cute bottle. I love the size of this, perfect for travel. Oh, that's nice. One of the first products I got in my Boxycharm is actually from our northern neighbors up in Canada, eh? It's Toy Factory's Oat Bay Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover. I'm really hyped about this. Canada's been at the forefront of the clean beauty movement, and we love seeing that. The next product in my box, I am the most excited for. Out of every product I got, I am the most excited for this one. It's the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Hydrate Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. And let me read you why this is so exciting. The key bioactives in this product are freshwater microalgae, which increases skin's resilience and helps to protect from dehydration. It's actually clinically proven in 93% of users in the first 48 hours to restore hydration layers and prevent dehydration on the skin. I can't wait to try my Ren Clean Skincare Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. So we've cleansed, we've moisturized. What's next in my box? Let's find out. The next thing in my box is actually from Pur Elise. It's the Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. This has me so pumped for lightweight wear. This tinted moisturizer is going to be smooth and creamy and buttery, and it's going to spread like nobody's business all over your face. I love a tinted moisturizer. I love wearing tinted sunscreens. I love wearing anything tinted, to be honest with you, because it's going to be sheer, which the name says. It's going to provide glow, which the name says. The next product I got is from Pinky Bee Beauty, another small business. Love seeing that in my box for this month. It's their Illuminating Had Me at Primer. I'm really curious if this is going to be blurring, so why don't we try it out together? Oh. No scent, I love that. And it is illuminating. You can see on my hand right there that it actually does brighten up the skin. It has pearl-like finish to it, so it's going to blur imperfections and help you actually be your best self with your makeup. The next product I got is from Makiage. It's actually their Mineral Baked Blush in the shade Vogue. You better work. I can't wait to swatch this. Mineral blushes tend to have a buttery texture, and they are so smooth on the skin. Nothing better than a smooth blush that's gonna look excellent on the cheeks, am I right? It's perfectly pinky and mauve, and it's not gonna be too much. It's mauve, oh my goodness. Like my Glam Bag Mauve Me Mini Eyeshadow Palette. It's almost as if IPSY knows me. That's a wrap on my September Glam Bag and Boxycharm. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Bag and Boxycharm using the link in the description box below. Check it out. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and comment what your favorite products were for this month's September Glam Bag and Boxycharm. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel so you stay in the know. Till next time, bye y'all.